Well, my new electric fireplace came in today, and before I put it in the fireplace itself, I wanted to test everything. But it's straight out of the box, put some batteries in the remote, and it's putting out way more heat than I ever expected. Looks realistic. You can see in the back the flames going up on my printer back there. And the wood looks like it's burning up here. Shoot, man, it's so cozy. I'm about to go to sleep filming it. Can't wait to put it in. It also connected very easily to the Area app where you control it on your phone. And that works flawlessly for me. I've seen online some people said it didn't. But I mean, in a matter of a minute or two, I'm controlling it with my phone.
Well, here she is. It's beautiful, but as you can hear right now, I just turned it on. It's a little noisy, but as it warms up, the noise goes away. And it's only for a short while. We love it. It warms the room. The children are able to play right in front. No dangers. We love this product. This product, I would recommend. We have a 1-year-old, we have a 3-year-old, and they're safe. And that's our number one priority, is that our children are safe. This is one of the best buys that we've made through Amazon. I highly recommend it. Enjoy your coffee, your toast, your cold.
Logic vote to get her such great news this morning.
Yeah, and we can use a little bit of good news because we're about to get more rain moving through.
Yeah, and while there is now an added severe weather threat on the leading edge of the state, we're
In its fiscal update, the Liberal government said it was looking for billions of savings, but a Fifth Estate investigation has discovered Ottawa is doing little to stop the...
I want my land to be able to support more people. So how do I do that? I pack it with more and more useful species.